Next thing we will do is we will listen the frequency. So uh, we will see how the low frequency sounds and high frequency sounds. Then the only thing we have to do is just put header in the previous file. Okay, so we will make a sound file, and we will set sampling frequency to be 8,000 samples per second. So since the size of a file is 512 to multiplied by 256, then if 1 second is 8,000, so if we divide the whole size by using 8,000, then the size will be 16 seconds long. And then each row is 512 pixels, so 512 divided by 800 is 0.064 second long. And the zeroth line is DC, so the frequency is 0. And while the frequency of case line with K cycle becomes like this. Then highest frequency is 256, no, 255 divided by 512 multiplied by 8,000 hertz. So it is 4K hertz. If there are K cycles in 512 samples, then there are this many cycles in a second, because 512 samples correspond to the this period. And you know that hertz is defined as number of cycles per 1 second. Okay, let's make a program to make wave file. Okay, and we will modify the program we already made. So we store that program, and then we will change the name of this one. So save as C frequency, but here we will change it to hear frequency. Store. And then we will remove this one. Remove, and we will add this one, new one, hear frequency. Okay, so in order to hear the frequency, we will make on wave file. On a wave file. So what wave file is also said to be sound file. Okay, then what we have to do is we will have first locate memory, second open a file, and then third write header, write the header, and fourth calculate each line and write onto the file. Okay, then this is okay, and we need to function which make the to make the header. Okay, but you don't need to know about the detail about the header, but if you have question, then you can ask me. Okay, so listen file, so wave file, then you will have this subroutine for the writing a wave header. Okay, so we will just copy this one here and put here, and this here, and there are some, so this one should be defined in the beginning of a program. We put here void file, and it's okay, and integer. Okay, and also there are two values defined here, so this value also should be this b word and the word should be defined here too, so we will get this defined here. Okay, we need that defined here. Okay, and we need to have a header, so allocate. So the only thing different is right header here, so we will put right header here and here, and this is false. Okay, right header is character. Okay, character header, and header is 44 byte, so you don't know why, so you don't need to know why. And then in order to make header, we will copy this one and this one, then this right header function will write header in this header, and then in this we put the size of the file, and then we will write header in the file. Okay, control copy and copy here. And the size of a header is 44, so we will put 44 here, and we will write header here. Okay, then the other is the same. They will put right here, and I change it frequency like this because the frequency is too open, change it too open, so I made it it is changed by for in every 5 lines, and then this one should be wave, the extension should be wave, so wave. And then if we divide by 5, then we should divide here also. Here the highest frequency is this one, divide by 5, so highest is so 5, so 800 hertz, 800 hertz. For example, la, do re mi fa sol la, la equal hertz, so la equal a equal in Korean la equal 8. Okay, So 800 is upper La, could be upper La, almost upper La. Okay, and then okay, everything is okay. Then let's compile it and run it. F5. Oh, there is error. Okay, no. It says this warning is not no problem. So here error and error stl cpy stl, they used this function here. Where is it? stl copy, string copy. So in order to use this function, we need another header file. It's string point h. Okay, that's okay. 5. Then no error. Okay, so here we made new file. This wave file was made. Then we will hear the frequency. Okay. Okay, let's hear the frequency. We go here and this. So this is sound file. So sound file could be run by using sound running program. Okay, it's 16 seconds, you can see. I said this one is 16 seconds long, and from low frequency to high frequency. So this frequency is almost 800 Hz.